Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use futures on DSJ. The futures section on DSJ is where most people think they'll make fast money, but it's also where most people lose it. Why? Because this isn't simple buying and holding. You're making short-term predictions on price movements, sometimes in as little as 60 seconds. That means every click, call or put, is a time-based bet on direction. First, open the DSJ app and log into your account. Then tap Futures. This is where all short-term trading happens. At the top, you'll see options like 60 seconds, 120 seconds, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. This is how long your trade lasts. Shorter time equals higher pressure plus more randomness. Beginners often lose more on short durations. Tap the trading pair on the top left, then choose BTC, USDT, or any other pair. You're choosing what market you're trading. Look at the trend area on the top right. This shows price movement over time and if it's uptrend or downtrend. This is your only real clue before trading. When you go downwards, you'll find the position order. This is your current active trades. It shows open positions and tracks ongoing results. To the right, you'll find historical orders. These are your past trades. It shows wins, losses, and helps you review performance. Then invited me, which is where you enter trade signals or codes. It's used for copying or following trades. Then follow-up plan, which is a manual setup for trade strategies. It lets you define structured trades. At last you'll see call labeled in green and put labeled in red. Call means you think the price will go up. Put means you think price will go down. Choose how much you want to trade. This is your risk per trade. Then tap Call or Put. What happens next? Trade starts immediately, timer counts down, and result depends on price direction. That's a complete futures trade. To summarize, using futures on DSJ involves going to the futures section, selecting a trade duration, choosing a trading pair like BTC, USDT, analyzing the trend, and placing a trade using call or put. But understanding the risk is more important than the steps. And that's how to use the futures section on DSJ. The interface is simple, but the consequences aren't. Don't just focus on how to trade, focus on how to protect yourself while trading. Because in fast-paced markets like this, discipline matters more than speed. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.